So leave it on.
You just simply turn all of these
off when you're going.
Leave that one on. These the air conditioners will turn off when you turn all this off.
So once all of these are off, then you can turn that one off.
That automatically comes with them.
Right, yep.
You've got to always check to make sure
so
that
it's on.
Yeah. Because if you don't,
then it's going to overheat So this one.
That one, the floodlights at the front. If they trip out, press your start button and it'll re-engage it. But they generally
take a step that way so we can get some there. So that one's got to be on first all the time. That one's lights outside.
Yep. That one simply just you press that one if these two aren't working.
Alright.
If your floodlights at the front aren't working, it's probably tripped as circuit breaker, then you can just push that one in and it'll restart it.
So, that's that. What else do we need to know? Here we are in the engine room. So, when you're firing up your lights...
first up, this will be off like that. Yeah, turn him on. We'll come up. Turn him on when you first come here and give him about 5, 10 to 15 minutes by the time you've threaded the film on and everything.
Yep.
Then you can start him and he'll kick over a lot easier.
So you push the button and it fires up, so it's build up power, and you hit the button, sends the high frequency, arcs across, then the current flows across and you're up and running.
Yep.
And normally that knob there is on that line. We've got a little bit higher because we're playing around with different lamps. So it would normally look like this fellow. That would be there. That's probably normal running voltage. Position of switches when everything's running.
And to turn him on at the end of the night, turn that off, and it takes the power off the machine that keeps the air conditioning running.
Yep.
And you leave them off for the time it takes for you to pull the film out and pack everything up.
Yep.
Then they'll be nice and cool to put the covers over it and you can pull all the power.
So on our transformers, rectifiers down here.
If that light's not going, that's off.
Yep.
So you got to turn him on. Yep. I try not to turn that one on.
Yeah, you just do it on the circuit breaker on the wall. Yeah, that's the current control there, which should be in the right spot. When we put a dodgy globe in, we had to crank that up a bit to try and get some more out of it. So when we look at number 2, that's where he is. That's where that's running. It's all running onto there. Can't really see. Jumping there as each of the frames advances. See the intermittent action.
At the end of the night, grab one of these brushes, you just simply flick him on to clean off your cogs. Pull that out, you run cleaning fluid over the top of that. I think it's acetone, just over the surface of that, and it gets rid of that the residue off the film.
Yep.
Builds up, and same one on that side. And most important, don't swap those for that machine because they're machined really individually.
Yep.
You can tell because they were swapped before. When I went to put this one in, I put him in, tried those lenses and they wouldn't fit in.
Yeah.
So I swapped it back around. And this won't close like it does nicely onto that and lock the film in. It won't close on the other one.
Could you show us again how that releases when you're releasing that knob? Push in and let go, yep.
Push in.
That
So it's got a
comes
lock.
out and locks,
So
yep.
push him in, and it slides. Lock.
Yep.
You undo that for on here until you get him moved, slide him out. Watch them, they're very hot
Yep.
when you first come up. You just clean off those. And for the, I'll have to clean these anyway. Just undo that one, slide that forward, and it's got 2 pins for locking in. That shouldn't be on there, so we'll need to clean those off. And that's all you got to do on cleaning. And just look at the oil level and that. It gets down a bit low, top it up. There or there. And there's got a little oil pop up on there as well. That usually happens when the service guy comes in.
And here's the chief operator. There's always got to be a manager, hasn't there? Good on you.